Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our Google Ads series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch those videos from here. Okay, so in today's lecture, we'll be discussing about app campaigns. What is app campaigns? What are the different types of app campaigns we have? And in the later part of the video, we'll show you how to create an app install campaign using Google Ads. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, let's get to know what is app campaigns. Okay, so for learning more about app campaigns, we'll go to the official documentation of Google. So you can see over here, as an app advertiser, you want to get your app into the hands of more paying users. So how do you connect with those people? App campaigns streamline the process for you, making it easy to promote your apps across Google's largest properties, including Search, Google Play, YouTube, Discover on Google Search, and the Google Display Network. Just add a few lines of text, a bid, some assets, and the rest is optimized to help your users find you. So how it works actually. Unlike most Google Ads campaign, you don't design individual ads for app campaigns. Instead, we'll use your ad text ideas, images, videos, and assets from your app's store listing to design a variety of ads across several formats and networks. To get started, all you need to do is to provide some text, a starting bid and budget, and let us know the languages and locations for your ads. We also strongly recommend that you provide at least one landscape image, one portrait video, and one landscape video, and where relevant, HTML assets. Our systems will test different asset combinations and serve ads that are performing the best more often with no extra work needed from you. So how many types of app campaigns we have? So you can see over here, currently we have three types of app campaigns. One is app install. So run ads that encourage people to install your app. App campaigns for install will serve ads until the user completes the download action that the campaign is optimizing for. Next one is app engagement. App campaigns for engagement can help you re-engage customers who have installed your app and encourage them to take specific in-app actions. And the last one is app pre-registration. So this is for Android version only. Run ads that build excitement and awareness for your apps and games before they release on Google Play. So very effective. So where your ads can appear. So you can see over here, it appears on Google Search networks such as Google Search Partner, Google Play, YouTube, Google Display Network, Gmail and other apps, mobile website of news sites, blogs, and other sites across the internet, discover on Google search. So this is very useful doc. I'm going to share this doc file in the video description so that you can study further about app campaigns. Okay, so let's create an app install campaign from scratch. Okay, so before creating app install campaign, make sure you have set up conversion tracking for app install campaign. So if I go to the conversion section, just wait a little bit. So if I scroll down a little, then you can see that in the download section, we have created a conversion for learn English speaking, install conversion. So I'll be advertising for this app. That's why I have created a conversion using this app. So if you don't know how to create app install conversion, then I have a detailed video on it. So please go to my Google Ads conversion tracking playlist where you will find the video. Okay, perfect. So let's create the new campaign. So for creating new campaign, I'm going to be choosing or clicking on this blue button called new campaign. So we have different campaign objectives available here. So for the time being, I'll be choosing app promotion. Okay. And it is by default selected. Select a campaign type, which is app. Then I'm going to be choosing app install from here. If you want, you can choose app engagement, app pre-registration as per your requirements. So select your mobile's app platform. So you need to choose either Android or iOS. So for the time being, I'm choosing Android, and I'll be choosing this app, or I'll be using this app. So I'm going to be clicking on this, so you can see this app has been selected, and I will name the campaign as app promotion or app install campaign learn English app. Okay, perfect. I'll click on continue. So you can see our mobile app has been selected. Then you need to provide the location. So I'll be using the location as Bangladesh. So if you want to use another location, then you can enter the location and target those specific location. And from the location options, I'll be choosing presence, people in or regularly in your targeted location. And as the language, I will be uh, selecting English, and you can see over here Google is recommending us to use another language, which is Bengali. So I'll click on add all. Okay. So from the mode setting option, if you want to give any end dates, you can give end dates from here, Then I'll be clicking on next, and we need to provide a average daily budget. So I'll be using $30 per day, and you can see over here bidding strategy is installed volume, and what kind of users do you want to target. So I want to target all users, and you can see over here set a target cost per install. So we need to provide an amount for cost per install. So you can see over here a typical cost per install for other apps targeting your selected area is 13 cents. So I'll click on apply, then I'll click on next. Then we're in the add assets section. So I need to write all the add assets, like we have the option to enter 5 headlines and 5 descriptions, So I'm going to be using all the headlines and descriptions. So as the headline one, I'll be writing learn English grammar. Okay. Number 1, English learning app. Then as the third headline, I will be using a call to action called download now. Then I'll be using, so let's go to the app, and you can easily learn English. That could be one of the headlines, or I'm going to be using easily learn English. And I'll be using improve your English speaking. That could be one of our headline. Improve your English speaking. Okay, perfect. Then I need to use 5 descriptions. Okay, so I'm going to be using 5 descriptions. So I'll go to the app section, and if I go to the description section, where we'll find some of the description ideas. So I'm going to be using this as description 1. Okay, and as description 2, I'll be using this one. And as description 3, I'm going to be using this one. It has exceeded the character limit, which is 90 character. So I'm removing some characters from here. So this will be used as for description, and I'm going to be using this one as final description. Okay, perfect. Then I need to provide some images, like you can add up to 20 images. So I'll click on images, and if you don't have any image, then you can go to the free stock images, and if you search for your app like learn English grammar, then you will get bunch of images ideas, so you can use those images from here. Like I'm using this one, this one, and I will search it again. English grammar. So it is coming. Just wait a little bit. So I can choose this one, this one. So I'll click on save. So you can add up to 20 images. So for the time being, I'm going to be using those images, and you can use up to 20 videos. So I'd suggest you to use uh, as much as videos you can. Like I'll be using some videos of my YouTube channel. So you'll be using your app videos. So for example, I'll be using this one. So I'll enter the URL over here. Then I'm going to be choosing this one. Okay. So I'll click on save. And if you have HTML5 images, then you can upload them from here. Okay. So you can see over here. So if you click on next, if everything is okay, then they will review our campaign, whether our campaign has some errors or not. So if everything is okay, then uh, they will give us to publish the campaign. So if you want, you can review the campaign from here. Like if you want to change the campaign name, campaign type, campaign subtype, bidding strategies like budget, bidding, campaign settings option, mobile app, locations, languages, if you want to change the ad group, ad assets, so you can do it from here. So if everything is okay, you can click on publish campaign. So it is publishing. So you can see over here, our campaign has been published, and if everything is fine, then within 24 to 48 hours, our ads will be live. So that is how you can create an app install campaign. Okay. So hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day. Bye bye.